Dear students, this is the welcome to Colorwa Tutorials. This is the English first language paper. I have only uploaded the question paper only, not the key answer. I didn't give the key answer because there is shortage of time. This is only the question paper I will upload it here. So many students are asking for me, sir, first language English question paper send. So I will upload it this one. So I will give you the key answers in future. Soon I will upload the key answer also. So please refer only the question paper in this video. This is only the model question paper. Don't confuse it is a original question paper, because no one can give the original question paper of the question paper that is given by Universe School. So this is only for the reference. You have to refer this English first language question paper. Students, before that I will request you to subscribe our channel and on the notification, and also some yes, come now, we observe the question paper here. So students, this is the first language English question paper. So you will refer this only. So there are 6 objective MCQ questions are there. So this is for your reference only. This is not your school question paper or school preparatory question paper. So you have to refer this question paper. ಒಂದು ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಗುರುಣಕ್ಕಿ ಏನೋ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಾಡಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದಾಳದು, ಹಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಯ್ಯಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So students, this is the model question paper. So you have to refer this one as a reference question paper and also prepare for your school exam question paper. I will upload the key answers soon. So please subscribe our channel if you want to another videos of the another subjects. So please subscribe our channel and give any comment or suggestion for this video. So thank you. So I will meet you in the next video.